Welcome back to the Infinifactory series. We're on resource site 526.81, puzzle cargo uplifter. Let's go ahead and into the puzzle. So what we've got here are two different inputs, but we've also got a kind of a milling device that's going to take this little iron block here, or whatever you want to call it. It's going to pass through and it's going to kind of shave it out into an L shape. Then we've got kind of a, I guess you can say a propulsion unit for the uplifter. And we need to combine all those into this final product that looks like a little forklift. You can see that we've got 4 of the iron blocks that are going to be put in place as they are. And then we're also going to need 2 of those iron blocks to go into the milling machine and get formed into the little forklift part. Then on the back, we've got the 2 little propulsion units, and we need to fuse them all together into this little uplifter. So let's go over to the finished solution. Okay, this is the finished solution. So what we've got going on here is, again, not necessarily a counter, but it is slowly counting and separating. Every other couple blocks will get sent over here into the milling machine. We don't need as many as we need that are coming down here to the section that's building the 2x2 midsection. Then once it comes out of the milling machine, we need to change the orientation because it is the L pattern is in the opposite direction of what we need, so it needs to rotate twice. But as this is again is a 1x1 block, we've got to wait for it to come through, and then we can twist it. Once they're twisted, we've got a counting block here, and that will wait for the second block to come through, push it together, and weld it, and then it gets sent down to the line to where I've got the final assembly. Over here, we've got the little uplifter propulsion unit. Comes in, gets welded, and then I've got 3 counters right here because this takes no time at all compared to the other sections to complete, so we need to delay it a little bit. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Now, what's taking the longest time is getting those L-shaped pieces put together. So that's actually our last step. All the pieces are falling into place. They get welded, and once that L-shaped front piece gets put into place, the pusher blocks here on the back push it down the conveyor line to the finish. So let's go ahead and speed this up, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask them below.